What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be showing some love to the BMW because lately it's all been about this guy. So we're taking a break from the 300 for a little bit, not like a long time, but just for like this video, I guess, because we still got a lot of stuff planned for that. And we're gonna be focusing on this car. It's pretty much stock. It's got MHD flash on it. That's pretty much it. But I want to change it up a little bit and put this lip on. I got it from eBay for like 75 bucks. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try it out. One thing that I have noticed so far is the fact that the fitment, it doesn't fit unless you pop these guys out. So bye-bye to these guys. But once you pop these out, hopefully it should go on no problem, but we're gonna try it. Alright guys, so with a little bit of fuss, I got it fitted up. I think all I need to do is drill the self-tapping screws in and I should be good. Honestly, a lot easier than I really thought. Like, it fits up perfect. I mean, I guess not perfect, but for eBay, it's perfect. But honestly, looking at it right now, dude, I like it a lot more. Oh yeah, buddy. It looks a lot more aggressive. I mean, you really can't tell in this lighting, but I mean, it looks way more aggressive than before. But yeah, I think next is, I don't know if they make side skirts for this car or what, but I want to get some side skirts, or like the lip side skirts or something. I don't know. But yeah, comment anything down below that you want me to do to this thing. I'm not really trying to do anything like power wise because it's my daily driver and I'm trying to keep her as reliable as possible, seeing how, well, the NAZ is pretty reliable. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these things together and we'll see the finished product. All right guys, this is the final product. I don't know if I want to keep it black or not. I know the light is really not doing it justice. The only part that's not that good is right here. I think it's just bent wrong. I'm hoping that the sun will heat it up and it'll go back to where it was, but I don't know. Other than that, I kind of tried to hide the screws here and on the other side and then all on the bottom. It looks good. It fits pretty good. I don't know, for some reason now it looks like an M3. I mean, it probably doesn't. I don't know, just right now it does. But yeah, this is the eBay lip install. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. I don't know, I just got it and I was like, I gotta put it on. So I was like, you know, I might as well film it. And yeah, go hit that subscribe button for more BMW stuff. And if you enjoy 300ZXs, well, hit that subscribe button too, because this is gonna be a full build. I need to cut them a little bit higher because they still rub on the tire here and it's just tragic. But the wide body kit is coming soon, and something that, you know, I've always wanted to have a different color, and I didn't really want to pay the, you know, $2,000 to get it painted nice, and I don't really know how to paint that well myself, but I ordered some cheap eBay vinyl and I'm gonna just try to wrap it, like the front, hood, and fenders first, just to try, because, you know, even if it only lasts for 6 months, still I learned some things and I can do it again next time. But I'm just curious if it works or not. So there will be new videos about eBay vinyl wrap too. That'll be coming shortly because I want to try it. I've always wanted to, and I finally was like, you know what, let me buy some, try to wrap the hood. And so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 before I wrap. No, that's not. Usually I was trying to get it wrapped when I hit 1,000, but I'm just eager to do it and I don't know. We'll see. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and go subscribe. If you're not, come on. Like, it's just a little click. That's it. That's all it is. Just a click and then you watch my video, you know, if you enjoy. But yeah guys, so hit that subscribe button once again because I'm just trying to get 1,000 subscribers, guys. Like, come on, just 1,000, you know, that's just a little 1,000, that's it. All right guys, but I'm probably gonna add some clips now of it, like with good sunlight, because this is obviously not good sunlight. So if you want those, be coming in 3, 2, 1. Peace out guys.